Well, hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Roav Bluetooth FM Transmitter with car charger. I've got a mid-2000s Honda Civic with an aux port and a CD player. I've had a couple of Bluetooth adapters since I've had the car that plug into the aux port. One pain, obviously, is having to take it out and charge it. Once I got sick of that, I basically had three options. Get Bluetooth installed. I don't drive the car enough to really justify that. Didn't want to spend a bunch of money on a stereo system that I wasn't going to use very often. Another option is to just install an adapter. I was this close to taking that option. I was looking at videos, researching devices, ready to rip out their car and take this tab off and unscrew this here with a 90-degree wrench and all that. And finally decided, you know what, it's not worth all that. Well, let me see what else is out there. Well, I was looking for my magic bullet solution. I stumbled onto something that I really didn't believe it, a Bluetooth FM transmitter in 2019. Another thing that made me laugh is I actually had one of these when my older car didn't have a CD player, and I had one of those portable CD players. So I embraced being one of the eternally cheap and bought this little device. It's like $17, figured I'd give it a try. So far, I'm happy with the result. So if you're eternally cheap like me, you just want to listen to what's on your phone, whether it be music, podcasts, or an audiobook, this is a pretty good option. I was delightfully surprised by the audio quality. To be honest, my previous CD transmitter was not very good. This thing is actually incredibly easy to use. You just unbox it, plug it into your little cigarette port, pair it to your phone, tune it to the frequency, and play away. Another hallmark of good design is that once it's paired, it'll automatically connect whenever you jump into your car. And just if you have something queued up, you hit the phone button, it'll start playing right away.
And when I see Mr. Frump in his iron lung, this is what I hear him say.
And the best thing of all, at least for me, is that I don't have to charge it. It plugs right into the cigarette port. It even has two USB ports on top of it, so you can charge your phone or whatever. So I think there's two categories that matter when it comes to this: price and convenience. So for price, I gave it an A+, $15 to $17, and it gave me everything I wanted and a little bit more. For convenience, I also gave it an A+. Automatically connects when you get into your car, can play whatever's queued up on your phone by hitting the little phone button, can move songs back and forth with little buttons on the left and right hand side. Works great. And I don't have to charge it. So again, I recommend this for anybody who just has a basic stereo system and wants to listen to what's on their phone without a whole lot of hassle. This isn't sponsored. I actually bought this with my own money. I only recommend things that I like, and it's all about saving you money and helping you make good buying decisions. So I hope you appreciate this video. If you found value out of it, make sure to like and subscribe. Take it easy.